Good morning, friends. It's time for calendar. Are you ready? Let's do a rule song. Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands. And a calm body, and a calm body. All right. I have a few things to show you. First, I have some pictures of feelings, okay? And I want you to tell me how these kids feel in the pictures, okay? Let's see. How does she feel? Can you tell me? Right, she feels happy. She's smiling. She feels happy. Nice job. Oh, how does she feel? She's lying down on the couch. You tell me. She feels tired. That's right. You can say tired or sleepy. All right. How does this boy feel? This boy feels sad. He's sad. Nice job. Here's the last one I have. How does she feel? You tell me. She feels, that's right, angry. She feels angry. Good job. Those are some feeling pictures. And you guys did a nice job telling me the feelings. All right. How do you feel today? You tell me. How do you feel? Do you feel like her? Happy? Do you feel mad? Do you feel sad? Do you feel tired? I guess Mrs. Ottoman's feeling a little tired today. Miss Amanda is feeling a little tired. That's how I'm feeling today. Oh, good. Maddie's next to me, so she might help out today. So that'll be fun. Let me just put that down. All right. So we're going to start our calendar. You did a nice job doing feelings. Let's keep going. All right. First, we're going to do the days of the week. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Thursday. We take a jump, and today is what? Friday. So if you think Thursday, Friday. Today is Friday, friends. Nice job. Oh, that's great, Maddie. That says nice job. All right, so we said today is Friday. That's the day of the week. Next, guess what, friends? You'll be excited. Guess what I have? Oh, it's our months of the year. Visual. Ready for the months of the year? I have a friend that usually does this, and it always starts with what? You said January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Wow, that's long. There's
months in a year.
There are 12 months in a year, right?
That's a lot.
All right, so the month is the new month, remember? It's called April, right? And I see next to April, I don't know if you can see their umbrellas.
It rains a lot.
Okay, Maddie, you know what? I'm going to ask you and then you can answer, okay? You're right, though. It rains a lot in April, so we need our umbrellas, which is true. Umbrellas keep us dry. So April looks like this. That's what April looks like. And you can tell me, April starts with what letter? You're right, it's A. Nice. And if we spell it, A-P-R-I-L, spells April. And then there's my flowers, right? Because April showers bring May flowers. That's a saying. All right. Days of the week are all done. The months are all done. Now we have to count. All right? Let's count. I'm going to have you help me with one part, Maddie. All right. 1, 2, 3. And we... Good. 1, 2, 3. Stop. All right. So today, what number is this? Yes, it's 3. All right, Maddie. I have my 10 frame here and I have 2 dots. How many more dots do you need to put on to make it 3?
1.
All right, so let's see. Maddie put on 1 more dot, and now we have 1, 2, 3 dots. Nice. Look how that matches, right? 3 and 3. Awesome job. Thanks, Maddie. You're going to do one more thing for me, too. Guess what she's going to do? She's going to be the weather watcher. What's our song? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you, please? Won't you, please? Maddie, so you go to the window, take a look, and come on back and tell me what the weather is in a full sentence.
It is raining, and it's a little, and it's cloudy.
All right. It's rainy and cloudy because clouds, yeah, rain. That's right. The clouds bring the rain. So it's rainy outside today. Rain, rain, go away. That's right. All right. So the weather is rainy. Thanks, Maddie. All right. Let's see. Oh, I never did that. So today was Friday, April 3rd. So you can say Friday, April, and let's see. Oh, how many stickers on our 10 frame? 3. It's the 3rd, 2020. And the weather is raining. You guys did a nice job. I'm going to try to do one more video for you today. So until next time for calendar, I'll see you next week. Bye. Maddie, you want to say bye?
Bye. Nice job.
Oh, she wrote, nice job. Nice job. Thank you, Maddie, for helping. All right. Bye, guys.